visiting my channel. Today I came in to answer a few questions. This is the second week of answering questions, and this week I'm going to do it a little different and a little bit quicker. Trying to do it without cutting and editing, just like when I started it. So let's gonna start this really quickly. First question: how do I add, I should say, folders on Windows 7? Right there. I should say, how do I add it on a network so I can see it on XBMC or Media Center on Apple TV 2? Very easy. First thing first, what you need to do is you need to have a folder. So this one I named it Bollywood. I'm a very big fan of Bollywood movies. So yes, I love Hollywood, and now it got started to like Bollywood. They're very nice. Okay. After every fight, there's a dance. That's why I like it. So what you need to do is, as you can see right there, that's the folder. So I'm going to right click on it, and then what I'm going to do is, as you can see, it does not have anything to do with share, but what we need to go is, it says there share with, and you can also say home, I should say home group or read and write. I would not suggest you click on that. What you need to do is go to properties. When the property came up, I'm going to unselect this part, the attribute, so it's totally empty, and that actually helps. And then what you need to do is go to share. Now it already says what the name of the computer and everything is, but I want you to do is go to advanced share, and then just put a little check mark. Now it already says that it's Bollywood right there. What I want you to do is go to permissions, and this part I want you to make sure that it's on everyone, and at the bottom I always say allow everything. So if you want to just put on read, you can do that too. I always give them rights, so that way anybody on the other networks have access on my router. So I put it just on a read for now. I'm just going to click OK, and then click apply. It says 20 people. You can change that to 1 or 2 if you want. It doesn't go over 20. So I always put it on maximum as 2. So this way I know that I only have 2 Apple TV right now connected. So 2 of them going to have access, and then click OK. And now you see that the path changed. It was longer, now it just says Bollywood. So after the name of your computer. So when that's done, you're just going to click apply. Of course, it's going to say that it's read only. You're going to say OK. And then at the bottom, you just press OK again. Now, this folder shared. Now, one more thing I want you guys to do is go into Start button, and then I want you to go to Control Panel, and then in the Control Panel I want you to go into Account and Family Safety. I would really suggest you guys do this and add and remove user accounts. Now what I want you to do is just create a new one. I named it user 1, and whatever password you want to put. Okay, so that's how you're going to share it on Windows 7. So you're just going to click on create account, and then you just gotta fill out the nickname, I should say, or the username. Make sure that you put it under standard and click create. When that's done, you're going to make it something like this. So I choose this picture right here, and then you gotta go and change your password and make it a little bit long so nobody else would know, or if you want to make it shorter, your choice. So once that's done, basically it's created. Now what you need to do is you need to go to your Apple TV. Source, and I'll talk about this in a few seconds. And then you need to go into your SMD network. I don't know if you guys can read it. Right there, SMD network. It's just loading for me right now. I'm just waiting for it.
Error 2.
Otherwise, I have more than one network on this, so I really simply just find my work group. That's what I'm looking for. So there you go. So yeah, it works. That's good. So
yeah, it doesn't
there
work.
you go here, and that's my computer that is on right now.
So just have a quick look at the settings on XBMC. Network settings, SMD client, it's just set up as blank. Win server, IP address looks like 0.0.0.0, and the work group is just a standard set to work group. What I'll do is I'll run through the network settings on my on Windows 7 as well, just to give you an overview where we're at. So, open network and sharing center, home group, ready to create. I don't have one set up as per guidance. If you go to choose home group and sharing options, and then change advanced sharing settings, network discovery set to turn on, file and printer sharing set to turn on, public folder sharing, I've just got this off because I don't use public sharing, media streaming, not interested in that at the moment, turned off, file sharing, I haven't found any guidance on this online, but I've just left it at the recommended. I've tried it both ways, doesn't seem to make any sort of difference. Password protect, of course it's set to turn off, and home group connections, it's just default on allowed, doesn't make a difference because I don't have a home group set up. So basically, I've been trying this for about 2 weeks now and I can't get past the error 2. Any advice would be great, thanks.